Hello, in this video we will explain the solution of the problem of not being able to fill the color of the object we selected in Adobe Illustrator. We have two objects. We are trying to color fill the objects, but even though we fill one of the objects, it looks empty. So let's look at the solutions to this. We can use two simple methods for this. The first method is the Live Paint Bucket option. Let's select the object and fill it with the Live Paint Bucket tool. As you can see, we fill it easily. Let's move on to the second method. Select the object and open the Appearance tab in the side panel. From there, we see that the transparency option is 0% under the Fill tab. Let's do this 100%. That's it. Thank you for watching.